It's really astonishing when you think about it that the one place in all four Gospels, Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John, where Jesus tells us what his heart is. And we know from the scripture, Old Testament and New, the heart is your deepest, innermost, it's your motivation headquarters. It's why you do what you do. And in the one place, Jesus says, I'm now going to tell you what my heart is. He says, I am gentle and lowly in heart. There are many other true words that he could have said there, but what he chose to say there in Matthew 11 is gentle and lowly. In other words, he is gentle. He's the most tender, the most non-manipulative, the most non-abrasive. He doesn't handle us roughly. He doesn't take us by the shoulders and shake us. And he is lowly. Actually, that's the same Greek word elsewhere translated in the New Testament, humble. You might think, what does Jesus have to be humble about? Well, it's his own way of saying, I am the most accessible person in the universe. The Revelation 1, divine risen Son of God, the one who has a double-edged sword coming out of his mouth, and his body is shining so brightly, and his face that John falls down at his feet. That Christ is most deeply gentle and lowly. Lowly. He's accessible. You don't have to go through security to get to him. He doesn't say, take a ticket and get in line. He doesn't put you on hold. He is supremely accessible. There's no minimum bar you need to get over to get to him. All you have to do, actually, is collapse in order to get into the heart of Christ. You have to humble yourself enough, something that most of us have a very difficult time doing. Humble yourself simply to fall into his arms because he is lowly. So it is unspeakably precious that Christ's deepest heart, who he is most deeply, what pours out of him most naturally, is gentleness and lowliness.